How to fix Samsung A16 Do Not Disturb keeps turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and then press and hold on Do Not Disturb. And here you can see the option details. Now click on it. And first of all, turn off schedule Do Not Disturb. Here you can see schedule Do Not Disturb, then turn it off and then turn off Do Not Disturb. After turning off schedule Do Not Disturb, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and scroll down and click on software update. And here you can check your latest software will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it to latest software. After updating the latest software, then go back and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset and then click on reset all settings. After clicking on reset all settings, then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.